Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix. You're having an issue with Battlefield 6 on the open beta or Battlefield 6. DLSS is missing after installing NVIDIA Graphics Driver version 580.97. Then how we can fix this app? So let me directly get into this step. So the only one solution is all about, first and all, we have to uninstall the latest graphics card. So to do so, you have to go over here in the control panel if you see on your desktop, or you can just search here for the control panel. Click on control panel. Then from here, navigate to programs and features. Scroll down, and over here, as you can see, this is the latest version of graphics card. That is NVIDIA Graphics Card. In my case, it is 560.94, but on your case, it might be 580.97. Whatever the version it is, fine. Just right click on this one and go for uninstall it. Uninstall the graphics card. Similarly, you have to uninstall the NVIDIA app as well. Right click and go for uninstall. You should be uninstalling the latest graphics card and the app. Now after uninstalling, we have to install back the latest version of the graphics card. So I'll be providing a link in the description. So just go over here, click on this link that's going to take you to the official NVIDIA website. Now go over here in this particular page. Now select what is your requirement. So in my case, I'm on GeForce. I have to select GeForce. Mine is GeForce RTX 15 series. So I have selected 15 series. And mine is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop. Now I am running on Windows 11. So I have selected Windows 11 and go for find. Now from here you can see this is the version we need to download. This is the latest version of graphics card, that is 580.97. Just click on view. Now the size is around 819 MB. So just go over here, click on the download. So this will take a little bit of time. So let's wait for the download to get completed. So once download, we need to install this over here on a system. So just wait for this to get completely done. Or you can just go over here in the file explorer. So just go here, right click on this one. Now we need to install the latest graphics card. So go over here in the download. Now just click on this one. Now go for OK. And as you can see, the graphic driver is installing right now. So once it is installed, you have to check. That is very important. So this will take a little bit of time. The very important step is, now by default, when it open up, it will be set into NVIDIA Graphics Drivers and NVIDIA app. You have to change this RAM to the second one, that is NVIDIA Graphics Drivers. Go for agree and continue. Now go for custom and go for the next. Now the graphic driver will be installed. After the installation is completely done, you just need to close everything over here. After the installation complete, launch the game and it will be working fine. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.